नमस्कार, स्वागत आहे. वेळ झालेली आहे सामना क्रमांक 16 रत्नागिरी जेट्स विरुद्ध पीबीजी कोल्हापूर टस्कर्स. विराट द महाराष्ट्र क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन इंटरनेशनल स्टेडियम गहुंजे पुणे.
रत्नागिरी जेट्स ने टॉस जीता और फील्डिंग करने का निर्णय लिया. आज रत्नागिरी जेट्स अजीम खान, अजीज, धीरज पतंगरे, किरण चोरमोले, देवांग हिंगणेकर, निखिल नायक, अभिषेक पवार, सत्यजीत बच्चाव, बेस्ट बॉलर उनके विजय पावले, निखिल धुमाल, प्रदीप दड़े टीम में वापस आए, योगेश चौहान. और उसके साथ पीबीजी कोल्हापुर टस्कर, अंकित बावने, सीनियर एक्सपीरियंस खिलाड़ी हर्ष संघवी, अंकित पोरवाल, राहुल त्रिपाठी, सिद्धार्थ मात्रे जो टीम में आए आज, श्रीकांत मंडे, योगेश डोंगरे, दिल्लोन, यश खलाडकर, श्रेयस चौहान और मनोज यादव. हर्ष संघवी 4 मैच खेले, 52 रन बनाए, 152 का स्ट्राइक रेट है. अच्छी बारी खेला अंकित बावने, 6 इनिंग 103. इस साल भी इनके बल्ले से ज्यादा रन नहीं आए पिछले साल के ऑरेंज कैप विनर.
And to start proceedings for the Ratnagiri Jets, it's Divyang Hingnekar. Ratnagiri Jets taking on the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. Oh, what a start this! Sanghvi, Harsh Sanghvi. Straight up in the air, fielders and a chance for the field at mid-on, coming in, what a catch taken! That's what the Jets are known for, giving an absolute no respite for the batters. Even if it's a half chance, they'll convert it. And Pradeep Dade has started and picked up his first wicket.
हर्ष संघवी एक करके पेविलियन में 3 पर 1.
In at number 3, Rahul Tripathi. Yeah, there he goes. Are these desperate measures? And that scores.
जब शुरू हो जाते हैं फिर चौके छक्के की बारिश होती है. और दूसरा चौका ये उनके बल्ले से. अच्छा शॉट और फील्डर के हाथ में, बहुत ही बेहतरीन कैच. योगेश चौहान, कमाल की फील्डिंग, पॉइंट पर.
Ankit Bhavne dismissed for 2. Kolhapur Tuskers 15 for 2. In at number 4 is Siddharth Matre.
ये हवा में गेंद बिल्कुल ओवर द पॉइंट. 2 रन मिल सकते हैं वहां पर. अच्छी फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा वहां पर. विजय पावले अच्छे बेहतरीन फील्डर है, टॉप फील्डर इनके टीम के. इतना करीबी मामला है. पावले का हाथ लगा है कि नहीं, काफी क्लोज है.
Let's see what the TV umpire decides. Yes, so that'll be 4 runs. Oh, what a shot this! The shimmies to the offside and nicely played over the square leg region. That's gone long. Yes, looking to pierce that clap. Nicely done, expertly done.
Pressure being put on Satyajit Bachao, the very first delivery that he bowls. This time round, he pierces that field.
Connects well. Wicketkeeper says Nahire.
And if you keep batting like that, you're going to see some entertaining cricket by this young man.
Calls for a single, will get it. An attacking, stroke-filled half-century for Rahul Tripathi. His third 50 in the MPL. And he gets a round of applause, a standing ovation from everyone in the dugout. Yes, the big shot has come.
Dhumal comes in. Yes, flat-batted shot. No chance for the field at mid-off.
ओहो, बड़ा शॉट यहां पर और एक छक्का.
Going for the reverse, connects well. Zazim Kazi back in the attack. Here's the call. Take it was the call. Parwal, the fielder.
ये आगे गिर गया. कोशिश बढ़िया थी यहां पर. ओहो, एयरबॉर्न थे बिल्कुल. शॉट, स्लो गेंद डाली थी, फंसाया राहुल त्रिपाठी को काजी ने, और कैप्टन को आउट किया है.
The big hitter Rahul Tripathi back in the dugout scoring 63. 105 for 3 Tuskers. In comes Aniket Porwal.
और ये है रन आउट। मार के भाग गए। कमाल कमाल का। निखिल नायक ने उनका जलवा दिखा दिया। क्या डांस था। गुलाबी साड़ी। माते ने अच्छी नहीं खेली। 44 बनाए 36 गेंदों में 113 पे 4।
In comes Shrikant Munde, the right-handed batter.
Azam Kazi bowling well, but his new over starts with a boundary.
And this is what he does. When he comes and operates after the power play, he's somebody who's always looking to pick up wickets. The upright seam position with enough res on that ball, gets the top edge. Aniket Porwal has to depart.
Aniket Porwal out on 10, 126 for 5.
Yogesh Dongre, the new man in.
In the air, fielder at long off will not be able to catch that. Hit really well. Oh, that has been dispatched into the stands.
Long off will come into the act. Satyajit Bachao strikes back.
Shrikant Munde scored 16, 151 for 6. Yash Khaladkar himself a left-arm spinner, but now with the bat in hand. Gets another one. The square leg umpire there has gone to the TV umpire. Here is that. Nikhil Naik collects it cleanly, flicks the bails well in time. Well done, Nikhil Naik. Well done to the left arm spinner Satyajit Bachao. That will be out. Yash Khaladkar out for 1, 154 for 7. Taranjit Dhillon is the new batter.
Yogesh Dongre. And he carves the 4.
Hits it hard. Misfield! 2 consecutive boundaries for the PVG Kolhapur Tuskers. 169 for 7. Defending champions, the Ratnagiri Jets, they need 170 to win in 20 overs.
The impact player. We have Ankit Bhavne, whose job is done. In comes Nihal Tusamad. The Ratnagiri Jets have also made a change. Pradeep Dade, yes, his job is done. Preetham Patil comes in. Short ball pulled in the gap and nicely placed.
ये बड़ा शॉट लॉन्ग ऑन के दिशा में मौका बन सकता है और 6 रन के लिए.
Goes for it again, this time safe. Over long off. Same result. 6 runs. Patangare comes down the track. Nicely placed. Perfect timing.
यह कमाल का शॉट.
Goes for it again. Straight batted shot. And this time will be a couple of bounces and 4 runs. Goes for the leg side. Loads and no chance for the field at mid-on.
कमाल का शॉट यहां पर. बाउंड्री. हवा में गेंद यहां पर मौका बनाया है. ये कैच होना चाहिए था. बीच में रुक गए फील्डर.
Preetham Patil again. Power. Shakti Pradarshan. Big appeal and given. Had to be. So Shrikant Munde, the bowling change has worked. Patangare was struggling.
धीरज पतांगरे 10 रन बना के पेविलियन में 50 पर 1 रत्नागिरी जेट्स.
In at number 3, this is Kiran Surmai.
अच्छी लाइन यहां पर बोल कर दिया है. मैंने बताया अच्छा मूव और बिल्कुल अच्छी कप्तानी. नो बॉल चेक करने के लिए बोला है. ये बच गए. आउट है. बोल्ड. श्रेयस चौहान स्लाइडर डाला अंदर. बहुत ही बेहतरीन गेंद. गति भी थी और सेट बैट्समैन को आउट किया. प्रीतम पाटिल 38 रन बना के पेविलियन में वापस 50 पर 2.
In at number 4 is the captain Nazim Kazi.
अच्छी गेंद यहाँ पर लेग बिफोर, बिल्कुल स्टंप के सामने, लगातार तीसरी विकेट और श्रेयस चौहान ने कमाल की गेंदबाजी की है.
Yes, Kiran Chormale could not open his account. 51 for 3 now, the Ratnagiri Jets. So in comes Yogesh Sawan.
Yash Khaladkar comes into the attack and he has been welcomed with a 6. He flights it. What a catch! Rahul Tripathi does it immediately into the attack. 2 wickets in his first over. Starts his new over with a wicket.
Yogesh Chauhan goes back to the pavilion, scoring 14, 74 for 4.
Divyang Hingrekar walks out to bat.
Yash Khaladkar to continue and Azim Kazi goes for the big one. Taranjit Dhillon won't be reaching it.
ये आगे गेंद थी, बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर, कमाल का शॉट.
He has connected this really well. He does take a chance and he will have to pay for it. Nihal Tusamat takes that catch.
Well played, Azim Kazi, for his 30. It's 117 for 5.
It's gone high up in the air. Taranjit Dhillon coming under it and judges it so well. That is exceptional fielding and catching.
खतरनाक दिव्यांग वापस पवेलियन जाएंगे 24 रन बना के 121 पे 6.
Abhishek Pawar is the new batter. Full toss, one-handed 6 that is from Nikhil Naik. Slow one, well connected. Nikhil Naik on strike, 24 to win of 6. One-handed once again, and it will clear the boundary. Connected brilliantly by Nikhil Naik. 4 balls, 12 needed. Where is this game going? Oh, nicely fielded. And rightfully, Nikhil doesn't run. Keeps the strike to himself. Smashed it. But a fielder under it. He drops the catch. But a run out at the non-striker's end. So that the first run counts. Nikhil Naik is back on strike. All along the ground. He will want to come back for the second. Now 9 needed from 1 ball. He has hit that for another 6. This is batting of the highest class, but it is the BBG Kolhapur Tuskers who have won this match by the thinnest of margins, by 2 runs